Hello and welcome to Monkey Knife Fights picks and plays for UFC Vegas 21. Folks, I'm Connor Roundtree and we're going to start this off by looking at the co-main event between Gregor Gillespie and Brad Riddell. Now, Gregor Gillespie, he averages 7 takedowns per 15 minutes inside the octagon. One of the best wrestlers in the lightweight division, and he also has 3 first-round knockouts on his UFC resume. He's taking on a pure kickboxer in Brad Riddell. Brad Riddell has been taken down a staggering 14 times in his first 3 UFC appearances, so look for Gillespie to take him down and pin him to the mat, good old Roman Greco style. So make sure you take more on Gillespie's line and less on Riddell on Monkey Knife Fight. As for the main event, Derek Brunson has won 3 consecutive fights, securing 10 takedowns in that process. Holland, while he has the reach advantage and more fluent striking, has been taken down 5 times in his last 3 fights. Holland has the tools to win this fight, but he said it himself. He doesn't like the idea of fighting 5 rounds. Both of Holland's UFC losses have come after the first round, and Brunson seems to have rejuvenated his career, and I like him to take Holland down and drown him in the later rounds of this fight. So make sure you take more on Derek Brunson's line and less on Kevin Holland's line. For our final contest on Monkey Knife Fight, we're going to play a rapid fire contest, and we already said Kevin Holland, he doesn't like the idea of a 5-round fight, but Cheyenne Buys, she is an absolute monster. She landed 92 strikes in her first UFC appearance. So make sure you take Cheyenne Buys and Derek Brunson with the fantasy point advantages in this rapid fire matchup. Head over to Monkey Knife Fight right now, lay some money down, and good luck. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Folks, I'm Connor Roundtree. Remember to hit it hard.